Hey guys, we're back. Good news, we got this off, despite a few little pieces of crap that came with it. It was held in by a lot of screws, surprisingly. I doubt this thing probably has an integrated CPU. Oh, look at this. Yeah, here's your keyboard. Let's put that right there. I'm not going to take off the LCD screen because liquid LCD screens scare me because I don't like it. I'm gonna grab my small tools, which are actually up here. My fault. Probably buried somewhere. Here they are. Okay, this should work. I believe this is probably the CPU header because of this, but I could be 1000% wrong. I'm not even going to attempt to put this thing back together. It's probably going to go in the dump, sadly. But I will be able to salvage all the parts from it. So, okay, watch out for the wires. These are surprisingly put in very... Oh, where's my magnetic thing? I'm using this as a magnet. Guess it's not out quite yet. That's a big boy. Okay, I don't want to damage anything. I suppose that's something. What is this? I gotta be very careful. Oop. Oh, probably because there's thermal paste on this. If they did that, good for them. Okay, guess this is not the CPU block header, unless that's a... Interesting. Let's do there. I wonder if I could take this entire thing off and show you all this. I'm probably gonna have to make this a two-part video. The disassembling and all the fun stuff. Okay. I can guarantee that's a CPU because there's a mysterious fan somewhere in here. Because anytime you turn on this PC, there's a fan going. Oh, that's probably that right there. Looks so stupid, just like jabbing it with a screwdriver. There we go. Okay, so this should just... Oh. I should not be prying here. What is this? Oh, not important. I should not be prying on that. I should be using a smaller guy. I'm gonna pry it by. Oh, we have movement. Can I pop this off is the question. Yes, I think I can. There's so many screws. This is my laptop on the back. It just has like 5 screws and we're fine. There we go. It should be the fan. Yep, there's the mystery fan. There's probably... Oh, that's magnetic. That's the mystery fan. And then this is probably the CPU and the GPU. Oh, poop. There we go. I gotta remove the fan header. Not the fan header, Okay. Well, that's the CPU cooler for you. Oh, that's nasty. That little trinket could cool it. Interesting. Then this is... Okay, let's put that in our parts area. Next, let's try to remove... This is probably, like... I don't want to let's see if we can sneak this little guy out. It's probably like... Is there anything connecting it? Is my problem. Not problem, but question. This is the... I think this is like a CPU and GPU bundle, if this thing even has it. Ooh, that does not sound good. Oh! Can I disconnect this? Yes, I can. Okay, be very careful. I'm gonna use my... Here's my precision plier. Okay. Gentle. I think I can just wiggle it out. Yep. Then just snake this out. Then use my little mini prior. Get this little guy out of here. Oh wait, CPU power. There's probably a CPU power connector in here. What's underneath? What's underneath? Oh my gosh! The RAM is all in this one. What is it? Oh. Well, I believe, my friends, this is the pt.2 processor. Fascinating. Is that your RAM? That must be, because there's two... I'm probably hallucinating. This might not even be the motherboard. Well, got that off. Had a little bit of thermal paste on. I should put this somewhere safe. This is... Let's see if we can see. Intel 95. I don't even know. Oh, that's way too small. I wonder if I can... Yep, look at that thermal paste. Good job. Yep, that looks like the CPU right there. Good luck getting the thermal paste off of it, though. Maybe in another vid I'll pry the CPU off of this thing. Yeah, wait, it's probably welded in. Look at that. Well, that is our command module, so to say. What should I put this on? Let me put it on like a little glove. Okay. Let's put this on a glove, because that's probably the most sanitary thing, and just popping it right on a table, because... Which side should I put it on? This side or this? Let's put it on this side, because it has the thermal stuff. Okay. Well, we accomplished our goal of pulling out the CPU out of an IBM 600. So next series, we're going to be pulling out the hard drive reader. We already got out the CD-ROM disk. This is your hard drive for IBM ThinkPad. Yeah, well, thank you all for watching, and I will hope to see you in part 2. Oh, wait, before I go, thank you all for watching. I want to thank you for paying attention, even if you just tuned me out in the background, totally fine. If you could, comment what you think I should do next. Yeah, love y'all. Have a good one.